If you're using an Apple iPhone, you can control how your SIM's internet is used. If you prioritize quality over data usage, you can set it that way, or if you want to save data, you can do that too. In that case, though, there'll be some compromise in quality. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to set the data mode on an Apple iPhone. For this, open Settings. Once you open Settings, you'll see an option for Mobile Services. Tap on it. When you do, you'll find Mobile Data Options. Click on that. Then, you'll see Data Mode. Tap on Data Mode. When you tap on that, you'll see three options. One is Allow More Data on 5G. If you choose this, you'll get high-quality performance, but it'll use more 5G data. Or, you can select Low Data Mode. This means the quality will be slightly reduced, but it'll use less data. Or, in between, there's an option called Standard. If you select it, it'll balance the two. So, that's how you can easily set the data mode on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.